Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will give you some ideas or tips on how to write the Khasi local language for DSC examination. Let's get started. First of all, this is the previous question I will be giving you today, so every time if you write any exam you should read the instruction properly before writing. In this first question we have the question on regarding the describe of the following sentence. You can also read this from the book Na Mi Ni Sep Ni. Here let me solve for you this 5 question. You can read the question and the answer in the following. You can also pause the video. Next is the passage given below. You can read carefully the statement and try to answer the question. Next is the letter writing. Read the question properly and to answer. Last but not least, the essay writing, which is 20 mark, which you need to attempt. And you only need one question to attempt TP, so let me give you an example of this question number 1. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and also leave your comment for suggestion. Thank you.